It was money on your head, they gon' pop it. I love money, nigga, that's my favorite topic. I'm fresh as fuck like a stylist. She ain't tryna suck my, then I'm outie. I don't want no snitch niggas around me. I like money.
This is worth a subscribe, you feel me? Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? Click the post notification bell. We are back, man. So let me put that SRT performance pictures on for y'all, man. So y'all see how that temperature, Y'all know my boy, y'all know my boy, what? My boy, what? Yeah. That boy, yeah, look. Y'all, listen, man. If y'all ain't going to somebody that's gonna put OEM parts in y'all car, then I don't know what y'all doing, man. Oh yeah, I do need a wool alignment. Like, I feel it. Y'all got, you know how it go, man. Y'all know how we go, man. Y'all know how we do it. Y'all know how we go, man. That bad boy. That boy. Hold up. Let's see how that motherfucker perform, baby. That motherfucker go right back down to 210. You heard me? You feel me? Look, man, SSV, I'm back in this play, man. Best mechanic, man. Black owned. Get with it or get the fuck lost. Real talk, man. Real talk. Real young tender. Doing great things, you feel me? It's a beauty, man. I just love nature, man. Gazer quad in the fucking building, man. Straight up. But I'm about to go to work. Had this meet with them, let them know that, your boy in college, if I haven't know. Y'all don't know, now y'all know. Your boy definitely in college. Y'all know, boy in college, so we doing great things right now. But I feel like I need to lock in on school more, lock in on YouTube more, and just lock them on, making my little money work for me, you feel me? My little incomes work for me, you feel me? So that's what we on right now, man. We on our way to the work, man. We gotta get y'all a little POV though, man. I told y'all the next time I get on this camera, I'm gonna bring y'all a good little 20 minutes, maybe an hour. Perfect. I tried to shoot for an hour here at home, and do an hour POV just between all cameras. But you know, on our way here, you know, I just thought of like, damn, I still gotta go to work afterwards. So we're gonna get a little 37 minutes worth of DOE, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. You feel me? Yeah, man, I'm just excited, bro. My guy really put play on my car, like, you feel me? Like, 216 is probably the highest I'm gonna ever see it run. And it don't shake as much, bro. That's really like, I love this shit, bro. Like, I love that this shit don't shake no more, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. He did definitely put a bug on my ear. He was like, once you go V8, you know what I'm saying? You shouldn't want to go back to V6. I'm like, yeah, you right about that. Because I was looking at the Benz C43, but I didn't learn. I just learned today that, like, you know, 63 is the V8. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go V8, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go no V6, man. You feel me? Like, who want to go V6? V6 is for hoes. You got a V6, you're a bitch. Word, you feel me? You got a V6, you're a bitch. That's what I'm looking at it as. Like, unless you got a twin turbo type of shit. You feel me? But that's the mirror. But I'm just happy to be back in my car, bro. It ain't nothing like getting back in your Mopar. Ford is cool, Chevy's cool, but ain't nothing about Mopar, man. I love Mopar. Ain't nothing like having a beautiful ass Mopar car, you feel me? And it's fixed right, you feel me? Like, the amount of money I'm about to flow through him, man, like, no cap. I just know me, man, you feel me? Like, I just know me. The amount of shit I'm about to do with this boy, my guy. What happened to that boy? Type shit, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm just happy to be back in this car, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I missed this shit. I definitely missed it. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, knowing you own something and versus driving it. But I ain't gonna lie though, I ain't gonna run this in the hole though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I did before. Like, I ran this shit in the hole when I first got it. I probably pop out to work with it one time and then switch right back to my Ford. And in the rainy days take this. Because, like, I ain't gonna lie, man, like, ain't nothing like it driving up in your Ford, man. Little Ford Sport truck. But paying attention, he told me pay attention to the coolant temp. It goes right back down though. Like, it definitely goes back down. Like, I ain't gonna punch this joint in the hole like I usually do though. I'm gonna cherish this car a little bit more because, you know, you don't wanna fuck it up. Fuck it up, you feel me? I don't wanna fuck it up. So, that being said, man, yeah, y'all just enjoy this POV, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm turning your hair down a little bit. Shit blowing out strong. I ain't had no hair blow out strong at me in a minute. That goddamn Ford. Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That mother loving Ford. This shit drives smooth now. Like, bro, I used to have a crazy ass shake when I drive. This shit drives so smooth, bro. So smooth, bro. No cap. forgot to tell y'all. I'm gonna put a my YouTube logo on the back too, man. Big and bold YouTube. I'm gonna put my name. Wow. I know for a fact that they need to tell me though, be careful, they be up here. My God definitely did tell me that too. So be careful now, the cops be up here. Damn, they done left the trailer? What the fuck? It's giving niggas packages in there? Let's go take them, let's go steal them. Let's go steal them. Go steal their packages, go get them, go get them. Question mark? That's some good ass content, yo. I know it is. Let me know what y'all want to see more in the channel, man. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, man. We drive with defense, not narrow offense. We drive with the defense. The defense. Play around, girl, you get broke up defense. The defense. Hit it with that finger. Give me that boom boom finger. I'm the poom poom guy. I'm the humpy man. Look at that bitch get humpy, man. Bro, I'm still not there yet. Casper, are we there yet? Hey, Dad, are we there yet? Hey, Dad, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there? Always the Ultimas. Always the Ultimas, man. Always fucking up, man. It's on bullshit, all dog shit. Look at the Hondeezy though. Why the you trying to play with me? Why the you trying to play with me, man? Why the you trying to play with me, man? You gotta relax.
I'm fresh as fuck,
Relax,
like a
bro.
stylist. She ain't tryna suck my, then I'm Audi. I don't want no snitch niggas around me.
Relax,
I like
man.
money, money, money. I like 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 money, money, money. Yeah, you got a squad full of bitches, Charlie's and Angels. Real project, nigga, I ain't changing.